functional, but also aesthetically pleasing. It's like having a superpowered assistant engineer. With AI, the future of bridge construction looks brighter and more innovative than ever before. Section 4, AI to the rescue, making bridges even better. Okay, so AI is helping design bridges, but what's the big deal? Here's where it gets really exciting. AI can help us build bridges that are lighter and use fewer materials. That's good for the environment and saves money too. AI can also make bridges last longer. It can spot tiny problems before they become big, scary problems. Think of it like a checkup for bridges, making sure everything is A-okay. This means fewer traffic jams and safer journeys for everyone. Section 5, AI challenges. Not so fast, robot overlords. Hold your horses! Before we all start driving over AI-designed bridges, there are a few things to consider. While AI has made significant strides in various fields, bridge construction is a whole different ballgame. It's not just about calculations and algorithms, it's about understanding the nuances of engineering and the unpredictability of real-world conditions. AI is still pretty new to the bridge building game. It has a lot to learn from seasoned engineers who have been in the field for decades. The experience and intuition that human engineers bring to the table are invaluable. We need to make sure it's learning from the best and that its designs are super safe. Safety is paramount when it comes to infrastructure, and there's no room for error. AI must be trained rigorously to ensure it meets the highest safety standards. And let's not forget about the human factor. Human oversight is crucial in every step of the process. Engineers need to work hand in hand with AI to ensure that the designs are not only functional, but also practical and feasible. We still need skilled engineers to oversee the AI, making sure it adheres to the best practices and doesn't make any critical mistakes. The collaboration between human intelligence and artificial intelligence can lead to groundbreaking innovations. Make sure it's not going off the deep end and that it stays within the bounds of safety and reliability. Engineers must constantly monitor and evaluate AI's performance to ensure it remains on track, and maybe teach it a thing or two about bridge aesthetics. A bridge should not only be strong and durable, but also visually appealing. The aesthetic aspect of bridge design is something that AI can learn from human creativity and artistic sense. After all, a bridge doesn't have to look like it was designed by a robot. It should blend seamlessly with its surroundings and stand as a testament to human ingenuity and creativity. So buckle up, bridge enthusiasts. The journey of integrating AI into bridge construction is just beginning, and it's going to be an exciting ride. The future of bridge building is looking exciting, innovative, and maybe even a little bit explosive. With AI and human engineers working together, we can expect to see some truly remarkable structures. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll be testing the strength of AI-designed bridges on Mythbusters. Imagine the thrill of seeing these futuristic designs put to the ultimate test. Now that's something I'd like to see. The fusion of technology and tradition in bridge building promises a future where our infrastructure is safer, more efficient, and more beautiful than ever before.